This is what winter looks like for us in Tennessee, which I want to say I think we ended up with probably real close to 8-9 inches, maybe more. I will check and see exactly what we ended up with because I'm kind of curious. Decided to come down, start the floor van. It's been a few days since we've started it, and it is completely covered. And as of right now, no, we don't have any plans of going anywhere with it looking like this. We are on the top of our driveway, which is a slanted slope going down, and I don't feel like going down, hit the road, and then being in the neighbor's yard down there with the crippled van. So we will wait for a few days. Once it finally heats up, maybe. But it is very, very beautiful out here. Got all the snow-covered trees, lines, little frozen pond. Very, very beautiful. Very, very cold. I want to say I think it's only like 22, 23 degrees. And we still have quite a few days here that is going to be dropping down in the negatives for us. Not looking forward to that. But there ain't nothing that we can do until everything is finalized with the house. And that won't happen until February 2nd, which I hope it don't look like this. I'd rather for it to be at least a little bit warmer. This is what our neighbor's pond looks like right now. Completely iced over. I definitely still would not go out there to step on it, even though it's been below freezing for a couple days now. I'm just not that enthused to walk on frozen water right now, especially with the temperatures like they are. But again, it is very, very pretty out here, and lots of snow. And we get some of our neighbors have been venturing out. I am not about to get out in this because Tennesseans can't drive in this to save their lives. And we got quite a few hills that we would have to try to climb to get out of here. And I'm just not in that kind of mood. And this is what our driveway looks like hidden up. So I don't want to have to slide all the way down to see if I can make it out of here.